Hi everyone, we're going to learn how to use the Moivre's theorem, and this is the theorem right here. And the first thing I want to do is just kind of show the pattern for it. So we have these ends here, and I want to show you what we're going to do with those. So, for example, if n equals 2, then we get z to the second power equals r squared times cosine of 2 theta, and I'm trying to change colors here, plus sine, we'll put I here, I sine of 2 theta. I just want my ends to be in red. Alright, so that's if n is 2. So let's look if n is 3. So if n equals 3, so we have z cubed, and let's look at what this looks like. Z cubed is actually z squared, whoops, I want the same color, z squared times z. So basically what you get is you're getting z squared, which is r squared, times cosine of 2 theta, we already did this one, plus I times 2 sine of theta, sorry. Alright, times your other z, which is just r times cosine of theta plus I sine of theta. Now when you combine this, you get r cubed, and we're multiplying, and we already showed how to multiply in the previous video. It means you're grouping your r's together and you're adding these together. Okay, you're adding your angles. So we're going to get cosine of 3 theta plus I sine of 3 theta. So when you do 4, I'm not going to do the whole thing. Let's just do what it's going to equal. You get z to the 4th. And what do you think it's going to be? It's going to be r to the 4th times cosine of 4 theta plus I sine of 4 theta. You could write all this out, but that's where you're coming from. So it's pretty easy if you know the formula. The proof requires mathematical induction, so we're not going to do the proof, but we're just going to do one example, and then on the next video I'll do more examples that are a little harder. So basically we want to write 2 times cosine of 20 degrees plus I times sine of 20 degrees in standard form, which is A plus BI. And so we're going to use his theorem, and we're going to write this as, do you see the 3 here? So we're going to write this as R3, so it's going to be 2 cubed times sine or cosine of 3 times 20 degrees plus I times sine of 3 times 20 degrees. And that's basically all you're doing. So let me change these now. So basically, here's your 3 that we're adding to it. So these two are equivalent. Now we're going to simplify this, and we get 8 times cosine of 60 plus I times sine of 60. And that's going to be 8 times 1/2 plus square root of 3 over 2I. And when you simplify this, both of these 2's go into 8 4 times, so multiply with 4. 4 plus 4 times square root of 3 and I. Make sure your I is not under that radical. And that's your answer. So the next video we're going to do more of these, and they're a little harder. And I hope you liked the video. Thank you and have a nice day. Bye-bye.